So this is the fabric that I'm going to be working with. This is a navy blue. The picture is not showing the exact color. And then this is a coffee brown. And this is red. So I'm going to be using this to make the turtleneck sweaters because this is the time of the season where it's cold. And I have this fabric, so why not make some for myself? So I'm going to be showing you, like, I'm going to be using my basic bodice, my sleeve to create this. I'm going to be putting like the measurements in case I edit it in any way. So guys, you can follow along. Okay guys, let's get started. So this is me just using like a basic bodice. This is the back. Now I'm going to show you the modification I did. Usually it's like 3 by 1. I just went in a little bit by 0.8 inches and then extended the shoulder by 3/4, a little bit above 3/4. So if I put my tape from here where I extended it from, this is 5.5 inches. I just wanted to extend it a little bit, and then I'm going to, of course, connect it. And I added 1 inch. It stretches, the stretch fabric, right? And then of course the length. This is the length, 27, because I'm tall and I want it long. Yes. So I took out the back and this is the front. So for the front, I extended it by 2 3/4, and then used my armhole curve just to deepen it a bit, and then I'll connect it here because it's the front from this shoulder, and that's about it. And I would put in the measurement for the turtleneck and yeah, for the sleeve band. So I'm done cutting all the colors, the brown, the blue, the red. This is the sleeve, this is the front, and this is the back. So I'm going to go ahead and sew, and when I'm done sewing, I'll show you guys how it looks like. I'm going to be using a serger before I sew it with my sewing machine, but this is it. I have 3 colors. Now I have colors in my wardrobe. So I'm done attaching the sleeves on both sides. So now I want to attach the turtleneck. Yeah. So what you're going to do, you're going to measure the neck part, making sure these points align. I'm using one hand to record. So you're going to measure. Mine is 9 inches because my fabric doesn't really stretch. If yours stretches, then you're going to take out 1.5 away from it after measuring. But mine doesn't really stretch. So instead of cutting it 9, I cut this, what's it called? I cut this 12 inches in length and 8.5 in width. 12 inches in length because I'm going to be folding it. So 12 inches length and 8.5 width. And I'm going to sew this with 1/2 inch, and I'll show you guys. So this is what I did. I made sure to pin it like this, making sure these 2 shoulder points align, and I measured it. So I went ahead and I sewed this in. So I'm going to open it up, turn it inside out, but at the same time, remember I said I'm going to fold it, right? So I'm going to fold it this way. Making sure it aligns. And I'm going to pin it.